In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add team members in Beehiiv. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First off, if you're new to Beehiiv, it's a fantastic platform that helps you manage and build your newsletter community. One of the key features it offers is the ability to collaborate with team members. This can be really beneficial if you're looking to expand your newsletter team or if you just want to share the workload. So let's dive into how you can add those team members. To begin, you'll need to log into your Beehiiv account. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you should see a menu with various options. What we want to do is locate the Settings menu. It usually looks like a little gear icon. Go ahead and give that a click. After clicking on Settings, you'll notice a few different options pop up in the Settings menu. We're specifically looking for the option that says Team Members, or something similar. This could be in a section labeled Account or Team. Click on that to bring up the Team Member Management area. Now, here's where the fun part begins, adding your team members. When you reach the Team Management page, you should see an Add Team Member button. It's usually quite prominent, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Click on that button, and you'll be taken to a form where you can input some details about the person you'd like to invite to your team. You'll likely need to enter their email address first. Make sure that the email is correct, as this is how they will receive their invitation to join your Beehiiv team. After entering the email, you may also need to choose a role for your new team member. Depending on what roles Beehiiv offers, this could range from roles like writer, editor, or even admin. Choose the role that fits their responsibilities best. Once you've filled out the necessary information, go ahead and click the Invite button. This sends an invitation to your colleague, and they should receive an email prompting them to join your team. Now, it's worth noting that until they accept the invitation, they won't have access to your Beehiiv account, so they'll need to stay on top of their inbox for that approval. While we're on the topic of managing your team, it's also important to mention that within the team management area, you can easily view all the current team members associated with your account. You can see who has accepted the invitation and who may still be pending. This helps keep everything organized and ensures that everyone has the access they need. If at any time you need to remove a team member, that same page usually has an option for that as well. Just locate the team member you wish to remove, and you should see a button or option for Remove. Click that, and they will be taken off the team. And there you have it. It's pretty straightforward once you know where to look. Adding team members in Beehiiv is a great way to enhance collaboration and ultimately work more efficiently on your newsletter. Make sure that everyone on your team knows their responsibilities, and don't hesitate to periodically review your team roster to make any necessary changes. Thanks for following along. I hope this guide helps you get your team set up